Hello, Sudoku friends. Hi, guys. Welcome back with the third regular Sudoku. It's a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix, in today's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 10th, 2021. Yes, the third and the last regular Sudoku I will solve, and this has four given numbers. Yes, and this will be number 2448. All right, 2448. So let's get started, and let me scan the whole puzzle because I need a big square with only one sharing box. Here we have a big square with two sharing boxes. Here we have three sharing boxes. This one has also three. This one has two. No, the strategy will be a bit difficult for the big square. Then let me look for a column here. 17, 8, 4, 3. With one sharing box. Alright, let me mirror this. So this should be also a column with only one sharing box. Do we have more? Here we have two. Yes, two. Here also must be two. Okay. So do we have rows? Here we have will be difficult. Let me do first. Let me do the columns first, and then the following strategy is to find boxes with only one combination. All right. So we have a 17 plus 18. Before I start counting, the total sum of a column is 45. The total sum of a big square is 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. So if I count all these numbers and deduct it with 45, then I know what number this is. 17 plus 8 is 25. 25 plus 4 is 29. 29 plus 9 is equal to 38. 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. So this should be a 7. In a box of 15, the combination will be 7 plus 8. Alright. Then this column. 5 plus 5 is equal to 20, plus 11, 20, 31, plus 9 is equal to 40, so 45 minus 40 is a 5. Alright, so in the box of 11, the combination here will be 5 plus 7, no, 6. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Then the following strategy is to find boxes with only one combination. I see here the box of 17. The only combination for the box of 17 is 8 plus 9. Let me mark those two boxes, 8 plus 9. Here, the box of 4. The only combination is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Alright. Do we have more? No. Here. The box of 17. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so here cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 9. Alright. Box of 16. 8 plus 7. No. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 plus here. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Double 8, I cannot fill this here in the box of 16. Is not allowed, double numbers. Alright. And then the box of 3. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. The only combination for the box of 3 is 2 plus 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. This box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. So now we have two numbers left in the first row for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. This triple box of 12, we have here 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Alright. Then let me see. Do we have more numbers? Boxes with only one combination. Here, the box of 16. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9. Yeah. 7 plus 9. Here, the box of 4. 3 plus 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so I cannot place a 1 here. So this should be a 3. And this should be a 1. Alright. Then that's all. I see here the box of 6. There are 2 combinations for the box of 6. 1 plus 5 and 2 plus 4. The 1 is already used in this big square, so I cannot use 1 plus 5. So 2 plus 4 remains. Yes, 4 we have there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. Alright. 9 plus 6. Okay, 9. Let me see. Here we have also 2 boxes. Box of 8 and a box of 9. One of the missing number is a 4 in the first column. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8, otherwise double 4. Double 4 is not allowed. So I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8, so it must be in the box of 9. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. I need to mark them. The other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. Alright. 1 and 7. 1 and 6. Okay. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes are filled with the 4 and the 5, and I cannot place a 9 in the box of 8, of course. So the 9 should be in the box of 11. So it will be the numbers 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Alright, so now we have a 9 there. Let me see. We have 9 plus 3. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 9, otherwise 9 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. So the 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Now, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be in the box of 11 or in the box of 15. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 11 because the combination will be 9 plus 2. The 2 is already used in this big square. So I cannot place the 9 in the box of 11. So 1 box left for the 9 should be here. The combination here in the box of 15 will be 9 plus 6. Alright. Alright. So now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 should be in one of those 2 boxes. And the combination will be 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. The other pair in this big square should be the 8 plus 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So now we have 2 boxes left. The box of 5 and the box of 9. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. in this big square, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 should be in the box of 5. The combination will be 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4. The other pair in this last column should be the 2 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes. We have now two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, let me see, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or could be there. Well, if I place a 3 here, then the combination in the box of 9, the combination will be 3 plus 6. We already have a 6 in this row, so this is not the solution. The 3 should be there. Okay. So now we have this in this triple box of 20. Minus 3 will be 17 for those two boxes. 17. The only combination for the box for 17 will be 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9. So we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. One box left in this column for the number 2. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3. No. We already have a 3, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes, 7 and 5. Here in the box of 9, the combination will be 2 plus 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box cannot be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. Alright. Then, let me see. Let me think. 1 and a 4. We have an 8 in this row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 3. 3. Well, if I place a 3 here, then the combination in the box of 8 should be 3 plus 5. The 5 is already used in this column. So the 3 cannot be here, the 3 should be there. And the 1 goes here. Then the combination will be in the box of 9, the 3 plus 6. Here in the box of 8, the combination will be 1 plus 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this column. 6. In the second column, so the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. The combination here in the box of 8 will be 6 plus 2. Alright. Here the combination in the box of 8 will be 6 plus 2. Now we have 2 boxes left. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 5. The 5 should be in the box of 9. The combination will be 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore because we have a double 4 here. So this should be a 4 and this should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So on the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Here in the box of 8, the combination will be 1 plus 7. 1 box left in this big square should be for the number 2. In the box of 7, the combination will be 2 plus 5. Alright. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 here. So this box can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this box should be an 8. Alright. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7. And this box should be a 2. Alright. Now we have a 6 there. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. And this box should be a 5. Alright. Here in the box of 10, the combination will be 8 plus 2. Alright. Then. Now we have a 2 there. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. This should be a 9. Alright. 2 boxes left in this third column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 8 is missing. 4 and an 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 9, 5 and 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Wow. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 7. Yeah, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. Well, I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise double 5. So the 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Here the combination in the box of 13 will be 5 plus 8. Here the combination in the box of 10 will be 6 plus 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 6, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. I like this killer Sudoku. Yes, really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.